Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how to set alarm as well as turn off or turn on hourly beep sound on this SKMEI 2126 model watch. As you see here on the display, the icon of alarm ALM and the icon of hourly signal SIG both are not mentioned. It means both are turn off. We will learn to set that. So let's get started. At first we will learn to set alarm. As you see here, currently I am in timekeeping mode. Use this left side down button to go towards alarm mode at first. So this is alarm. If you are in different function, continue pressing this and reach towards alarm mode. Once you come in alarm mode, for example, let's assume that I want to keep alarm for 6 a.m. Nothing is mentioned over here. This means this is a.m. Currently it's 10 a.m. Now let's keep this alarm for 6 a.m. Press and hold this left side top button for few seconds. You will see that hour have started blinking. Use this right side down button to go ahead. P means PM. Continuously press this to go towards AM. So this is 6 AM. Now to adjust this minute, use this left side down button. And use this right side down button to go ahead. But for now, it is not necessary for me. I'm only doing for you as a demo. So you can see here, I just add 6 AM as an alarm. Now keep this as alarm. Use this left side top button. So the alarm is fixed. Now let's understand how to turn on hourly beep sound on this SKMEI watch. Again come to alarm mode using mode button. Then hold this right side down button. You can see the hour digit have vanished. Now use this left side top button to turn on that hourly beep sound. As you see here, SIG is mentioned. This is the indication of hourly beep sound. If you press this left side top button again, it will turn off. But for now, I want to keep it on, so I will use this. So now to go back, press left side down button. So this is actual timekeeping mode where alarm for 6 a.m. and hourly beep sound both are turned on. And if you want to turn it off, follow the same step and you can turn it off. So if you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching till the end.